What's up everybody, Matt Maran here, and this is the 2019 Hyundai Elantra GT N-Line that was revealed here at Detroit. And so it's a really cool package that gives you both performance stuff and styling stuff. So you'll see 18-inch sportier wheels there that are on Hankook tires with the automatic, but with the manual, you actually get Michelin Pilot Sport 4S tires. You also see some silver accenting there around the grille and the more aggressive front lip there up front. In the back, you get a more aggressive rear bumper as well that looks very good, and of course the N badging to go along with it. On the inside here, you get some cool improvements too, like this N-specific steering wheel, which has some metallic accents and looks a little sportier. You also have some sportier gauges, but they weren't lit up, so hard to see that. But all the red accenting, you have these unique N Sport seats as well, which are leather and heated, which is very cool, especially considering the price point this vehicle is at, which I'll get to in a second here. But look a nice bit sportier. You also have red stitching everywhere, a unique gear shift knob, and especially I just really like that steering wheel. It looks great. And then you see even like metal pedals and stuff like that. So the N-Line version is replacing the Elantra GT Sport version. So the N-Line is replacing that. I would expect the same for the Elantra Sport Sedan eventually, but because they said this N-Line thing is going to be for multiple models eventually. And so they actually come with some nice performance improvements over even the Sport model from last year. So for the mechanical improvements, everything is stiffer basically. The engine mount is stiffer, transmission mount is stiffer, the roll rod mount is stiffer. Spring stiffness is also up by 14% roughly in the front and almost 22% in the rear. The rear sway bar is actually thicker by 0.3 millimeters. The front is actually 0.1 millimeters smaller than a regular GT Sport from last year, but that's just part of that new suspension tuning. The shocks have been retuned. The steering has a new calibration as well. And like I said, you also get those Michelin Pilot Sport 4 tires that are 225 wide, and that's again only on the manual transmission version. Otherwise, you still get the same 1.6 liter turbocharged 4-cylinder with 201 horsepower, 195 pound-feet of torque. And so they said these are actually on sale now. They're available currently, and the pricing of this is really one of the best things about it because they really kept it aggressive. So with the manual, these start for the N-Line version at $23,300. If you want the 7-speed dual clutch automatic that's available, that's $24,400, and then there's also a destination of $885 added onto that. So still you're looking at just over 24 grand there for the manual transmission version, and you get, you know, the Michelin tires now, the better suspension setup and everything. Really nice improvements. Now there is still a tech package with ventilated seats and a bunch of other toys, and that can drive the price closer to, you know, 27, 28 with that package usually, but still not a bad amount of money for the amount of vehicle you're getting here, and the features, the standard Apple CarPlay, all that kind of stuff is really, really great. But anyway, so yeah, like I said, they're available now, and so that is the 2019 Hyundai Elantra GT N-Line. Let me know your thoughts on it in the comments below. Thank you guys very much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care.